Welcome back to GreenTGarden. So we're gonna go outside. It's raining today. Normally I will wear these garden boots. These are from Hisea. They're really comfortable, soft and nice. But today we're gonna test out these bad boy. Look at that. Look how it's made. It looks awesome. It's waterproof. It's a steel toe, good for rain. Look at the bottom. Made well. So we're gonna put this to the test and looks pretty comfortable inside. So I'm gonna go out and check out the garden and I'll show you guys. For more details and price on this boots, check in the description box below, and I'm gonna leave a discount for you. I think when you're doing gardening and you have a lot of mud, rain, whatever deal with, you need good boots. You don't want to get your socks wet. You don't want to feel uncomfortable. So these high quality boots with good price is definitely what you need in your garden. They're both for male, female, anyone. Check out the link. They have a lot of different boots. So if you guys could see, check them out. Really nice, comfortable. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed about this. Not bad. So this, any mud, any rain, don't have to worry about anything. It holds on pretty good. It's pretty strong. Look at that. It's raining non-stop. And I wanted to let you guys know this is the boots what I'm wearing right now. I do wear Crocs and stuff sometimes, but to work better in your garden, you need a good boots. You need a good pair of boots. I'm gonna check on all my plants, but definitely these boots, look, they don't fall off that easy. They hold on pretty good. It's comfy. Quick look of the garden right now. It's a hot mess. You could see I had extra weed barrier, which I'm expanding the whole garden. I'm cleaning up. So I'm going to be weed whacking right through here, digging up all over and then covering them with the weed barrier. And you could see it's all fall crops right now. I have from kale to cauliflower to broccoli to a lot of stuff. Beans, butternut squash, every single thing that's growing right now. And you could see work in progress. It's a hot mess. So hopefully I'll get everything together soon and make a good full video and break down some stuff. What's gonna grow, what's not gonna make it, and what's going on for the fall time. I just wanted to make this short video for you guys to show you about my boots. Description box, the price is good, the delivery is fast, and it's a good company. It's good quality stuff. I wouldn't recommend if it's cheesy quality to you guys because I know you trust me, so I will let you know if it's cheesy, it's cheesy. But no, they're pretty good, they're pretty decent so far. I've been using the garden one. This is the first time using the steel toe and I'm walking with it. It seems pretty good. So thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. More garden videos coming up. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm in Long Island, New York, and we're coming down to fall time and loving this weather, except the rain right now. But this rain is good right